Plan your work and keep working your plan. Hello my dear students, today our topic is how to prepare for the grade 10 maths board examination. Let us check the steps. The first one, understand the syllabus. Carefully analyze the exam pattern and you should find out which chapter is more weightage and focus on that one. And master NCERT concept. Definitely NCERT's textbook is everything for us. Thoroughly study the NCERT textbook, examples and exercise questions. Okay, clarification, seek clarification. If you have any doubt is there, suddenly clarify the doubt with your teacher. And regular revision. Without revision we can't achieve, is it? So consistently doing the revision. Practice regularly. Solve a variety of problems from the different sources. From where we will get the different sources? Previous year question paper and sample question paper to gain confidence and practice different types of questions. Create a study schedule. Allocated dedicated time to slot for each topic based on their importance. That is very good point here. Make a formula sheet. Write down all the important formulas and theorems on the separate sheet for quick reference during the revision time. It will help you for the revising the chapter, everything. Okay. So next one is time management. That is very important for this one. Important factor, time management. Practice completely questions within the allocated time during mock test to improve your speed and accuracy. So time management you should keep proper. Dear students, you should follow these steps properly. Definitely you can approach your board examination without fear. So hereafter I will discuss some important question. This always asking in the previous year question paper. Please check this one. So the first chapter, number system, always asking these two type of questions. The first one LCM, or instead of LCM they will ask HCF also. And next one, prove that questions. 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. So this is instead of plus, they will ask the minus also, but concept is same only. And the next one is polynomial chapter, the relationship between zeros and coefficient. That is also always asking 3 mark questions, is very important for you. And how to form a quadratic formula. Sum and product they will give. So you should find out the quadratic formula. This is 2 mark question. And in the chapter quadratic equation, the train problem, everybody knows this one, is it? So this is also you can expect in the examination. If we are moving to theorem based questions, these are the main 3 theorems in the textbook. The first one, state and prove basic proportionality theorem, and the next theorem is from the circle chapter, and this is also prove that the parallelogram circumscribing circle is a rhombus. That is also very important theorem in this topic. And then come to the statistics chapter. Mean, median, mode. 3 central tendencies are there. In these 3 central tendencies, the missing frequency question you can expect. Okay, you can expect the missing frequency questions from your question paper. My dear students, practice make a man perfect. More practice, definitely more perfection will come. Hope you all understand this concept. So study well. Best of luck. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.